If you cry tears of happiness, chances are the first tear came from your right eye. Tears of sorrow, however, begin with the first tear coming from the left eye. The food you make may not taste as good as the food someone else makes, despite having the same recipe. Will I is a question that can motivate you a lot more than the statement, I will. Human nature resorts to anticipating negative outcomes when not knowing what to expect in a situation. Dreams and their meanings are as significant as conscious thoughts. The connection between the mind and the body is not an unrecognized one. So every thought in your mind can have an equivalent reaction to the cells in your body. You are often told to dress appropriately in different situations. This is because there is an established connection between the way an individual dresses and their mood in an environment. This is among the most relatable psychology facts, since how we dress expresses our identity. If you are looking to add a new habit into your everyday routine, do it for 66 days. This is the average time required to make a daily habit. When an individual looks at an object of interest and fascination, they have recorded their pupils to dilate by as much as 45%. Human nature involves breaking complex information into 3 or 4 chunks. You can try this out by noting how you memorize a long phone number. Psychology facts can be a fun way to learn more about yourself. The current human brain size has decreased by 10% compared to the size of Neanderthals. The type of music you listen to affects the way you perceive the world. If you have answered a tricky question with sarcasm, research suggests that you have a healthy and functioning brain. How often have you yawned when you see someone near you yawn? This is a phenomenon and among the few common psychology facts that have been explained by human nature to express empathy. A single negative sentence or event can outweigh a minimum of 5 positive things. An individual will experience 7 minutes of intense neural activity before passing away. People can die from a broken heart. This phenomenon is also called stress cardiomyopathy. The short-term effect of the broken heart syndrome is heart muscle dysfunction. A common occurrence among human beings is cognitive dissonance. This happens when people have 2 contradicting values and modify one to align with the other. You are more likely to read a long line quickly as opposed to a shorter line. However, there is still a general preference for shorter lines. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.